Hey guys, this is Joshua from TechNiv.com, and Samsung just unveiled their flagship Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The S9 and S9 Plus still looks identical to the S8, but it is now slightly defined with a thinner bezel to make the Infinity display looks more immersive. You can now use the device fully in landscape mode too. The fingerprint sensor has been located below the camera lens, making it much easier to reach. The SIM card slot now supports GB LTE, and it can take up to 400 GB of external storage. The main difference between the S9 and the S9 Plus are the screen size, battery capacity, and dual camera that is only available in the S9 Plus. Just like the Galaxy Note 8, the S9 Plus secondary camera is a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. One of the major upgrades to the S9 from the S8 is the camera. Now it gets a new super speed 12-megapixel camera that includes dual aperture. The dual aperture is set based on lighting condition, f2.4 for daylight and f1.5 for low light. Also, with the new processor improved up to 4 times the speed, the device is able to process multi-frame in one shot to help reduce noise. You can also capture slow-mo videos up to 960 frames per second. The auto motion detect helps to detect motion and start recording, so we wouldn't miss out the moment as well. The slow-mo video could be used as a wallpaper or share with your friends as a GIF. We could also add a background music on the slow-mo video afterwards. Now, just like the Apple iPhone 10 and Emoji, we can now create animated emoji with our facial expressions. However, Samsung makes AR emoji more personal compared to what Apple did. We can create our own emoji based on our face. A little customization like skin tone or outfit can be done too. After so much complaint on the weak speakers on most Samsung devices, the S9 finally have the stereo speakers that we all have been waiting for, featuring Dolby Atmos. The sound quality become much louder and surround sound like with just a tap of a button. As for Pixel Vision, it can now translate languages live. Just point the camera to the sign and Pixel Vision will settle the rest. You can also pair your S9 with the brand new design of the Samsung DeX. You can now connect the S9 on a flat surface. Once we connected the S9 to the DeX, the S9 turns into mousepad or keyboard and we could easily navigate the mouse. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned on TechNiv for more upcoming news on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.